What's going on, guys? It's Dave and Nick is running the camera. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures, and I am opening up some whole kernel corn. It's frozen. And this is just an easy little snack that you guys can make. I put a little too much in there. Sorry, buddy. I'm making this for Nick. Now, my friends Bob and Donna, they told me about this great thing that they saw down in Florida, and it was with a cob of corn and so on and so forth, and how delicious it was. So I made my own little maneuver on it. So what we do is, that stuff out of the way, I'm going to throw this, I'm going to throw this corn in the microwave, and just to get it hot. Okay, so hot. Corn's hot. This wasn't in the recipe, but I like it. I put, a scoop of margarine, or you can put a scoop of butter in, whatever you want. I just find it makes it a little bit nicer. Do you know what I mean? So we don't need this spoon anymore, because what it is, we're taking some mayonnaise. You can use Miracle Whip, whatever, and I should mix up that a little bit more. I'll be right back. Stirred the margarine in. I thought, you know what? It'd be better if I stir it in than rather leave a blob, because you wouldn't like eating a blob of margarine, would you? How much mayo do you want? Good blob?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
Now what I do is I throw it in a blob on the top of it, because you can scoop off a little bit as you eat the corn, like dip into the margarine as you eat the corn. Then the next thing, dip into the margarine, dip into the mayonnaise. The next thing, cayenne pepper. Now be careful with this stuff, because it's hot. And sometimes when I'm making it, I make it too hot. You know what I mean?
Yes. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to interact or not.
You can interact. Okay, so come in here and take a look at this. You tell me how much you want. You can add more too if you want. I think that should be enough at first.
Okay.
Because it's pretty potent.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I give it Parmesan cheese.
A shot of Parmesan cheese.
Just light.
The pride of Italy. Here we go. Do you have any Italian viewers?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna switch this up, and he's gonna try. Okay.
Smells great.
I hope I'm not as jittery. Okay.
It smells great. The Parmesan cheese really adds, it's pungent. Here we go. Going in.
Is it hot?
It's delicious. It's really good, man. Yeah.
Honestly.
It's perfect.
Yeah?
It's really good. Oh, the heat's coming. Heat's coming. Yeah.
See, so that's what it looks like.
So the Parmesan cheese,
That's what it looks like there.
in a certain way, offsets the heat a little bit. The heat kind of catches up with you later. The mayonnaise is excellent. It really. Who doesn't love mayonnaise? Who doesn't love it?
If you're wondering, he just finished up his last shift, and I just made that for him when he woke up. Woohoo!
Oh, no, thank God.
So what do you think? Easy to whip up. What was that? Like 3 to 5 minutes?
You could easily do this in under 5 minutes. You don't have to think about it.
Yeah.
You throw it in the micro, put it on for like a minute or so.
Well, it depends on how strong your microwave is. Yeah. A little margarine, little mayo, little cayenne pepper. Is the cayenne pepper enough though? Did I put enough on it? You put too much on, it gets really hot.
I guess for your viewers, if they were going to be creative, you could try different spices. Like you could try what's that one they put on crawfish down in the States?
I don't know.
Cajun seasoning.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could use that.
It's salty and spicy. That might be nice, or other things, but it's really good as it is. It really is.
See, that's the one Bob and Donna told me about. Apparently in Florida, they just have a cone dipped in mayo and cayenne pepper on it, Parmesan cheese, and away they go. They eat it on the cob. And I'm going,
It's really good.
Okay, so there you have it, guys.
Yeah.
You want something quick and brainless, and that's good. And corn is always good.
And not too unhealthy.
No, not too unhealthy. It's fairly decent.
Just the mayo.
Yeah, it's just the mayo. Hey, you just did your PT test. You can't, and he passed, so you can't complain for a little while. Okay, guys, that's about it. You guys have a great day, and please be safe on the road. Say bye, Nick.
Bye-bye.